Does your living room look clean for just one day and then suddenly dust takes over again? Don't worry, today I'll share quick hacks that actually keep your living room dust-free longer. Welcome back. In this video we'll explore practical and affordable tricks to maintain a dust-free living room without spending hours cleaning every day. Simple definition: a dust-free living room means creating a space where dust is reduced at the source, managed with the right tools, and prevented from building up quickly on furniture and floors. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Use microfiber cloths to trap dust instead of just spreading it. Step 2. Vacuum sofas, curtains, and rugs weekly to eliminate hidden dust. Step 3. Keep windows closed during peak traffic hours to stop outdoor dust. Step 4. Place doormats at entrances to block dust carried from shoes. Step 5. Declutter shelves and surfaces since fewer objects mean less dust build up. Step 6. Use an air purifier to capture floating dust particles. Tools explained. You'll need a microfiber cloth, a good quality vacuum cleaner with upholstery attachments, washable doormats, and optionally an air purifier. These tools make dusting faster and more effective. Quick tips: dust from top to bottom so particles don't fall on already clean surfaces. Wash cushion covers and curtains at least once a month. Use closed storage solutions like cabinets instead of open shelves. Cost comparison: a microfiber cloth set costs around $5 to $10. Vacuum cleaners range from $80 to $150 depending on quality, and an air purifier starts from $100. Compared to professional cleaning services that cost $100 to $200 per session, these tools save money long term. Workflow: dust gives vacuum, gives declutter, gives purify, gives maintain. Follow this simple cycle weekly for best results. Professional notes: remember, dust isn't just about looks. It carries allergens and can affect your family's health. Consistency matters more than deep cleaning once in a while, so focus on small, regular habits. So, with microfiber dusting, weekly vacuuming, limiting outside dust, using doormats, decluttering, and purify air, your living room can truly stay dust-free and healthy. If you're ready to say goodbye to dust, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more smart home hacks. And comment below which dust problem bothers you the most: furniture, curtains, or floors.